Welcome to Atlas, your all lines technology AI companion. In this video, we will learn how to pin the application in Teams, create an example ticket, and follow the ticket trail. Let's get started. Atlas is a tool that runs through Microsoft Teams. Submitting requests through Atlas will open a ticket just like emailing or calling, but with added convenience. Atlas lives inside Teams, so no phone calls, no switching windows, and no hunting for an email address. It can even provide immediate solutions, close out tickets, or escalate issues to the service desk when needed. You can simply click the tool, type your issue, and that's it. To start, you're going to want to pin the application to your Teams sidebar. To do this, open Microsoft Teams and look to the left of your screen. Here, you'll see the ellipsis icon. Click the three dots and search for Atlas. Once you see the icon, which will be a blue circle with the All Lines Technology Bridge inside, you can right-click that circle and select Pin. This now will make it so that the application is featured on your sidebar for easy access within Teams. Now that we have it pinned for future use, click it within your sidebar. This will open the Atlas console. There are two options in front of you here. On the left side, there is a box showing a list of your tickets placed with the Atlas system. If you have no tickets, this box will be blank. Towards the end of this video, you will see what it looks like to have a service ticket or two in there for reference. On the right side box, this is where you can click to email network operations directly or call through your direct support number if applicable. For the sake of this example, we are going to stick with the left side. Creating a new request. To create a new request within Atlas, you'll simply click New Request at the bottom of the left side box. This is going to open a chat feature within the left side box where you can simply say what your issue is and click Send. Within this chat feature, you have the ability to ask anything to describe your issue, as well as attach relevant screenshots as needed. As you send messages, you will see replies from Atlas, and these can include basic troubleshooting steps, qualifying questions to build more information, and suggestions on the next steps of this ticket. Does this make a ticket for me? To see what that ticket looks like, you're able to log into the customer portal to check ticket status, but you will also receive an email as any other ticket entered would normally follow, with an example being on the screen here. As you can see, this email includes the ticket title that mirrors what you originally chatted to the bot as your issue, includes who was the enterer, and you can see that it was entered and updated by Atlas. By clicking View Ticket, this will take you directly to your customer portal if you wish to see more details than what's included in the email. How can I see all my requests I've placed through Atlas? To do this, you can click back into the Atlas console. You can click any of these to open the item and see details. These details include the chat you had with the bot, the attachments you included, the ticket number, as well as the status of the request at the bottom. You're able to ask in this chat if there's an update on the ticket, and it will provide that update to you. You're also able on the main page of the console to select Done to see what's been done via chat with Atlas, which is a great feature. Even if a length of time goes by, you're able to go back to the ticket and see the updates on your request. You're able in real time to see as the statuses and items change with the ticket, which is a great chance for visibility. Atlas is more than a tool. It's a smarter way to connect, support, and solve problems. Welcome to a better support experience.